Creating a Koinly account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Koinly is a cryptocurrency tax software that helps users calculate their cryptocurrency gains and losses, making it easier to file taxes. To get started, go to the Koinly website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. Once you have entered your email address and password, click on the Create Account button. You will then receive a verification email from Koinly, which you must open and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email address, you will be taken to the Koinly dashboard. Here, you can add your cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges by clicking on the Add Wallet button. You can add wallets from popular exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Or you can add a manual wallet if you have a cryptocurrency wallet that is not listed. To add a wallet, you will need to enter the public address of your wallet and the type of cryptocurrency it holds. You can also upload a CSV file of your transaction history if you have one. Koinly will then automatically import your transaction data and calculate your gains and losses. It is essential to ensure that you have added all of your wallets and exchanges to Koinly to get an accurate calculation of your cryptocurrency taxes. You should also regularly update your transaction data to reflect any changes in your cryptocurrency holdings. Koinly offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans. Depending on the number of transactions you need to track, the free plan is suitable for users with a small number of transactions, while the paid plans are better suited for users with a large number of transactions. In conclusion, creating a Koinly account is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and adding all of your wallets and exchanges to Koinly, you can easily track your cryptocurrency taxes and ensure that you are in compliance with tax regulations.